We've been on and off again and again. I don't know which way we're going, no control. You push me, then you pull me back in. Don't know if I can decipher how your mind works. Yeah, you leave me wondering what it's like to feel your skin. I will keep.
Hey guys, I am so happy that you're joining me for the day. As of right now, I'm trying my hardest to get my chaotic life back in order. Chores and planning are my top 2 goals and priorities. If you've been here a while, you know I struggle with anxiety and depression. Let's just say more often than not, it affects my daily life, especially my routines and my home.
For it, cause I want you close. I'm so exposed when you're keeping me wondering. You know I'd do anything to be in.
In order to get things back to the way I want them, I am doing all sorts of self-awareness and self-care to better figure out what I need and want in this life. One of those are my routines. I have always went back to my roots of following Flylady. I have followed her for 13 years now, I think. If you aren't sure who that is, I will have the link in my description box.
So give me a sign. I could go for this, no more tricks we could take.
Right now, I'm trying to keep up with my zone cleaning. I love following Flylady's 5 zones in my home because it makes it easier to stay on top of each area. There are certain areas that I tend to neglect. Zone cleaning helps me to be sure I get those areas I would normally tend to completely forget about.
We've been on and off again and again. I don't know which way we're going, no control. You push me, then you pull me back in. So give me a sign. Give me a sign. Oh, baby, just give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign. Just give me one more talking to you and here we go again. Staying up all night to see if you've been texting me. Where do we go from here? I wanna go all in. So give me a sign. Yeah, give me a sign. Yeah, give me a sign.
This is my first video sharing me cleaning Zone 2. So Zone 2 is a more detailed cleaning in the kitchen, so that's what we're going to be working on today.
Just give me a sign. Give me a sign. Just give me one more. I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping.
For the kitchen, it was quite messy, so I'm actually doing a little bit more of a detailed cleaning. I am just tidying everything up. I'm going into the counters and I will be cleaning those up a little bit. I will be working on my small pantry area, which is actually just more cabinets, and I'll be working on my fridge.
I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me. No, no, nothing can break me. Lay my troubles to rest. Blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my...
For the freezer, I'm just going to pull everything out, and I have a lot of stuff that's been in here for a while that I'm just going to get rid of and then just reorganize it.
I'm so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me. No, no, nothing can break me.
Then of course I will do that same thing to the fridge, pull everything out, then I'm going to wipe things down and put it back in. As of right now, to catch up with everything, I'm just doing a ton of surface type cleaning.
someone else. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. Try not to hold me down, feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Look at those beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car. I had a feeling you'd come back and save me from all those lonely nights and heartbreaks. And I feel misplaced.
Like I mentioned, I don't necessarily have a pantry, so I am using these cabinets. We have a ton of cabinet space, and I'm sure that's why. So this little area probably is a pantry space, but that's what I use it for, and it works great for us.
But it's like something feels different from back then. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to? Honestly, I'm open wide. I don't feel like waking up without you by my side. I still see your silhouette. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to your bedroom? I had a feeling you'd come back and save me from all my slip-ups and mistakes. And I'm just pointless without you. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to? Never wanted to end things like we did. I'm sorry for all those promises I made you that I couldn't keep. But it's like something feels different from back then. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to? Honestly, I'm open wide. I don't feel like waking up without you by my side. I still see your silhouette. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to your bedroom? Just take me back to you. Wanna go back to you. Baby, take me back to you. I just wanna go back to you. Baby, take me back to you. Your bedroom.
Okay guys, thank you so much for joining me on today's video. I did not, of course, deep clean the entire kitchen, but this was perfect for some zone cleaning, and then we will do it again next month. But for now, I'm gonna go ahead and close this video, and we'll see you guys next week on Zone 3.
Kissing under streetlights, doing what we want to, doing